Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, 2-Minute Tuesdays today. If you're wondering how to get the most out of your outdoor workout, then keep on watching. 2-Minute Tuesdays today, which is a new series that I'm doing on Keep It Short and Brief because we only have 2 minutes. I've got 3 tips that are going to make your outdoor workout super beneficial, super effective and fast. So straight into tip number 1, the biggest first tip is where you work out. So of course, your location. If a big oval like this works well for you, at least you have easy access. You've got shade, you've got trees, you've got playground equipment around you for added intensity and quick access to water. Of course, it's always good to have grass because you might not even need a mat instead of concrete, which might hurt your back. You've got grass, which has that added support and added impact. Of course, the best thing about having space like this is that you've got space. So you're not confined, you've got so much room to do whatever you like. A great workout to do in an outdoor space, which is super duper effective, is called the traveling workout. So what you do is you run for a certain amount of time, whether it's 50 meters, whether it's 100 meters, whether it's just around the corner to the next block, run a certain amount of time, stop at that corner, jump down, do some squats, do some push-ups, do some lunges, whatever you feel like doing, jump down, get your heart rate up, get some strength work going, and then run off for another block and then keep it going. So like I said, on an oval like this, you can do that. You've got hills, you've got lots and lots of space, so you can even do a circuit type, which really gets the heart rate up and really shocks the body. And of course, that's how we get results. The third one, which is my absolute favorite, is probably near number 1, is that to have your music and your workout ready to go. So plan it the night before, plan it the day before, plan it whenever you can before your workout. Have it already organized, have it already written up or already done into a playlist and ready to hit start. So when you get on that oval, when you get in that stadium, where you get wherever you need to be, you can just jump straight into it straight away, not have to worry about it, not have to think about it. If you're sitting there contemplating for too long, what song, what exercise, what this, that's how it ruins motivation. And of course, with like this, you can just keep going. You don't have to stop throughout your workout. You can just keep powering through it, get it done, go home, and you're satisfied. All right, so those are my 3 tips on how to get the most out of your outdoor workout. Thanks for having 2-Minute Tuesdays with me, and I'm Nikita Gatti, Misfit Revolution. Thank you so much for watching another video. I'm sending all my love and positive energy, and I'll see you next time.